Our lesson for literature circles today is questioning skills. When you are in a discussion group, it is important to engage your group members in thoughtful questions. The way a question is asked will dictate the level of thinking for the discussion. Some questions are skinny. They just ask the facts. Some are fact questions. They ask you to explain why or to read between the lines. First, I'm going to play a song that focuses on these different types of questions. As you listen, I want you to notice skinny question ideas and fact question ideas. After, we will work in groups to discuss what we noticed. We will then go over some question starters. Question starters will have key words for different levels of thinking. Finally, you will create questions for your group based on today's reading assignment.
Fact questions, skinny questions, what do you think? Just a thimble full of facts or knowledge to drink? Fact questions, skinny questions, which will you choose? Something for discussion or television news? If you want the skinny on the story events, know the character settings and plot segments. To put some muscles on those skinny bones, you have to get to meaning that's not so easily known. Fact questions, skinny questions, what do you think? Just a thimble full of facts or knowledge to drink? Fact questions, skinny questions, which will you choose? Something for discussion or the television news? Comparisons, interpreting, predictions, and connections makes our brains expand in infinite directions. Reading like detectives, scoping like Sherlock. Ask the right questions, you'll stop the mental block. Fact questions, skinny questions, what do you think? Just a thimble full of facts or knowledge to drink? Fact questions, skinny questions, which will you choose? Something for discussion or the television news? Get the idea? Let's check it out. You're going to listen to the verse about skinny questions again. I want you to write down key words for skinny question ideas. You can pause the audio if needed. If you want the skinny on the story events, know the character settings and plot segments. To put some muscles on those skinny bones, you have to get to meaning that's not so easily known.
Did you write story events, character, or setting? Did you notice key words from the slide like what, did, who, when, or facts? Let's do the same for the verse about fact questions. Again, write down key words and pause the audio if needed.
Comparisons, interpreting, predictions, and connections makes our brains expand in infinite directions. Reading like detectives, scoping like Sherlock. Ask the right questions, you'll stop the mental block.
Did you write key words like comparison, predicting, connections, or ideas like classified, differences, retelling, or explaining? Now you're ready to apply this to our guided lesson. Take your notes to your teacher for the next part of our lesson.